A semen analysis is a test that is performed on men to determine the amount and quality of semen, which is the reproductive fluid. They also have sperm, which are reproductive cells. The testicles, also known as testes, are two glands in a man's reproductive system that are housed in the scrotum, a pouch of skin. The testicles are kept cold by the scrotum, which is located outside the body. The epididymis is a coiled tube network that connects one testicle to the other. While immature sperm form during intercourse, each epididymis stores them. Sperm move from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct via a tube called the vas deferens, which is linked to the epididymis. Their sperm mingle with fluid from two glands known as seminal vesicles, as well as the prostate gland, which is now known as semen. This fluid combination leaves the body through the urethra, a channel within the penis that normally transports urine during intercourse with a woman, and deposits semen in her vagina. Tens of millions of sperm can travel via the cervix, uterus, and fallopian tubes to fertilize one egg from the woman's body. During pregnancy, human development begins with the fertilization of the egg. If a guy hasn't been able to get a woman pregnant after at least a year of unprotected intercourse, or 6 months if she's over 40, or if he's had a vasectomy, his doctor may offer a semen analysis. The tests might be performed to ensure that there are no sperm in the sperm. After not ejaculating for 2 to 5 days, males must supply a semen sample for examination. Men commonly collect semen in a sterile cup or jar after triggering ejaculation, a process known as masturbation, or a doctor may offer a specific condom to collect semen at home during sex. It's critical to gather all of the ejaculated sperm. For good findings at the lab, samples obtained at home should be maintained at body temperature and returned to the lab within 2 hours. The individual evaluating the sperm will examine the overall amount or volume of the sample. 1.5 to 5 milliliters, or roughly a third of a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, is the usual volume range. If the semen volume is insufficient, there may be insufficient sperm or a fluid to feed and transport the sperm to a woman's egg. The thickness of the semen will also be examined by the laboratory. The sperm will be stuck within if the semen is excessively thick. The semen sample will then be subjected to 3 primary tests under a microscope. The first is a sperm count, which will determine the number of sperm per milliliter of semen. Second, a motility test will look at how the sperm move or swim. If the sperm count is low, the odds of getting a woman pregnant diminish. If sperm motility is inadequate, they travel too slowly, incorrectly, or not at all. Sperm with low motility may be unable to move toward a woman's egg in order to fertilize it. Third, a morphology test will examine the form of the sperm. Sperm with defective morphology may have a form that causes poor motility, or the sperm may be unable to fertilize an egg even if they reach it.